All right, a little bit more about our stringer runners. Joe's roughing them up with some 36. You'll also notice some drill holes. These are 3/8 drill holes, basically perfing the stringer to connect both the inner and outer skin, very similar to infusion. This is a quick and efficient way of bonding the two skins together, just using a vacuum bagging technique. With epoxy and how long epoxy stays open, it'll give us this opportunity to do that. Where with polyester vinyl ester, you wouldn't really be able to do that. That buildup of resin would more than likely exotherm, which would cause definite improper curing for the rest of the layup. This is the lamination process to our main stringer runner. Now have it wet out in straight epoxy.
Well,
The epoxy is soaking into the wood pores. Joe has begun to put a layer of 1708 on top and on the bottom of the stringer, and he'll then come back and put on 2 additional coats or layers of 1708 over the flat surfaces of the runner. Move it over to the other runner. We're making a manifold quick one. It's for the bagging of our outboard stringers on our Mako. Okay, Joe's got the outboard stringers under bag. It's also utilize, one bagging process and doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 components. Time saver there, along with being able to laminate under vacuum. Not only makes for a better part, but it's a time saver as well. 2 main stringer runners are done. Under bag. Be like this for the next 10, 12 hours. Come in tomorrow morning. Joe just took all of the components, bulkheads, and the outboard stringer, and he's getting ready to knock those down and clean them up. Joe Borelli.